guys, in today's video I have another quick fix DIY for you with this shirt that doesn't fit me and this skirt that doesn't fit right. So if you're curious to see what I do with these two pieces, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do another quick fix DIY for you guys where I'm going to take a skirt that I got from Shein and a shirt that I got from a thread-up goodie box and fix them so that they fit me because neither one fit properly. The skirt was way too tight at the bottom and I didn't like the length on the skirt. So we're going to go ahead and take a part of the skirt to add to the shirt because the shirt was too tight. I loved this shirt so much that I went ahead and bought it even though it was way out of my normal price range for shirts and it didn't fit me. All those things combined, I still bought it from a thread-up goodie box because I loved it that much. So we're going to go ahead and combine pieces and parts from these two pieces to hopefully make them work. I hope this turns out. I have no idea. Normally when I'm filming this part, I've already done the DIY. I've done parts of the DIY. It's looking good so far, but I sure hope it turns out for you guys because I have no idea, but I needed to get this intro in before it got too late. That's all I can say. So hopefully the DIY turns out great. Ooh, this shirt's a little see-through. Oh my. So we're going to get this DIY in right now. So we're going to jump into me fixing these pieces. Okay guys, so I have the skirt on. So the first thing that I want to do is decide how long I want it to be. So with a straight pin, I'm going to mark in the area roughly where I want it to be. I like all of my skirts to be roughly right above my knee, and that's about where I need this one to be. So now that it's marked, we are ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so I have my skirt laying flat here, and where the pin is where I want to cut. So I'm going to cut actually a little bit above that because I think I might have put the pin a little bit too low. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut a little bit above the pin, and I think that that will be perfectly fine. So to finish off the skirt, what I'm going to do is take it to my sewing machine and do what's called a rolled hem. And all you do is roll the fabric down once, and then you roll it again, and that will give you a clean finished edge at the bottom of your skirt. And then this is done. Okay, so let's move on to the shirt. So what I need to do first is take out that back seam so that I can insert that piece that we just cut to add in. So I'm going to spread my little threads apart here, slip my little seam ripper underneath, and just continue to do this all the way up until I have the shirt completely open. You guys know the drill. Okay, so now the shirt is completely open. This is what it looks like. Yay! Okay, so now I have the zipper here and we're going to have to put that back in. I'm dreading it, but yeah, we got to put it back in. Nonetheless, I also wanted to show you that I put a small hole in it and when I was trying it on, and I got something on it. This was not on it when I got it, guys. I don't know what that is. We're going to try to figure out how to get it off. Awesome that it's black on a white shirt. Great. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that piece that we just cut from the skirt, and the first thing that I want to do is get rid of that bottom hem because we don't need that to insert in the back of the shirt. It would look kind of weird. So I'm just going to go ahead, take my scissors and snip that off so that we have a nice flat piece, because this would make it kind of bulky in the back and it just wouldn't look right to insert this piece with that hem on there. So you really need to take it off, and I'm going to set it aside because believe it or not, I can use that piece for something later. Okay, so now we're just going to lay the shirt flat, and I'm looking, and this has like a seam down the center where they had the seam on the side of the skirt. So I want that to be in the center of my shirt. So I have to figure out what the center is. I'm looking and I'm like, okay, do I want to guesstimate the center? Do I want to measure it? Decided to measure it. The shirt's 24 inches long, so that means the center is roughly around 12 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and take that center seam there and put it at that 12-inch mark, and that's where I'm going to pin it into place. And then I will just pin the rest of it in place after that center is set. So now that the center is set, I'm going to go to one end like I always do, then I'll stick a pin, and then I will go to the other end and stick a pin, and then I'll work my way into the rest of the shirt. Once I have it all pinned together, I will take this side down and sew it to the sewing machine and do the same thing with the other side. Okay, now that I have that all done, this is what it looks like. So both sides are completely sewn into place. So now what we got to do is work that zipper back in, and guys, I'm so dreading it. And another thing that I realized is that this is an invisible zipper, so it makes it even that much harder. And I can promise you that once I get this back in here, it is not going to look professional by any stretch of anybody's imagination, but it will be functional, and most people probably won't notice that I did a terrible job sewing it in. So we're going to work with it. I should have grabbed a different zipper, but I just kind of wanted to work with what was already here and not add to the mix. So that's why I decided to do it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and stick a pin here at the top. We're trying to determine the length that we need to cut to get the zipper back into place. So I stuck the pin at the top there, and now I'm going to stick a pin right where the very end of that zipper is, where it closes. So that will let me know how long I need to cut. So now I'm going to grab my scissors, and I'm just going to try to find the center. At first I was just going to go ahead and go with that block that looked like it was the center and just guesstimate it. And then I decided, okay, Amber, why don't you try to find the real center of this? So I folded it in half so that I could find what was roughly the center of this shirt, the back of the shirt, so that I could cut it accordingly. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I cut right to that pin, and now we're ready to insert the zipper. I'm so dreading this, guys. I can't stress enough how much I'm dreading this. But anyways, I go ahead and stick the zipper where it would be, and I'm just going to fold the one end of the side here to pin this into place so that it is clean, finished, sort of, kind of, whatever, once I put the zipper into place. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my pin, and I'm just going to pin that down, and I'm going to work my way down the rest of just this side for now. And then of course I will repeat the same process to the other side. Oh, I hate zippers, guys. I so hate zippers. I just made sure it functioned. Now we're moving on. Okay, guys, look, I'm really excited about this. I got that black stain out. How exciting is that? You can't even tell that it was there at all. Oh my gosh, I was so pumped. Now, all I did was use these generic disinfecting wipes along with this Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. I will link the Grandma's Secret Spot Remover in the description box below. I got it from Amazon, and you can buy any disinfecting generic wipes. Works perfect. Love it. Okay, so the zipper is back into place. There you go. Perfectly functional. Is it professional looking? Yeah, not really, but you know what? It's going to work for me. It'll be fine. My hair is long. It'll probably cover up most of it, so I'm not going to worry about it. Well, the hair that I put on my head is long. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and work some pearls in the back here. I thought it would add a nice little detail to the back. So what I'm going to do here is determine how much space I want in between each pearl. So I'm going to do 2 inches. So I have my little measuring tape here, and I've measured 2 inches for those ones up above, and I'm just showing you how I did it here. So now I'm at the 2-inch mark. I'm just going to take it and stick that down into place. Now these pearls do have like a sticky back on them, but of course if you just stuck them on the back of your shirt like this, they would definitely not stay there. Yeah, for sure not. So to secure them in place permanently, I am going to be using E6000 to make sure that they don't go anywhere when I wash it and all that fun stuff. Okay, so I also want to show you that because these had the sticky back on them, you need to take that off of there, because if you just use the E6000 over top of the sticky back, it's going to come off because that sticky back is what's stuck to the main part of the pearl. So you do need to work that part off and then glue them into place, and you'll be good to go. So guys, this is the last part that I do with this. There's that sticky stuff. So just set it aside, add a little dot of glue, put it into place. This is the last thing. So let's jump into final thoughts and see how this thing turned out. I'm so excited. Yay! Okay guys, like I said, super quick, super easy. I just took the part of the skirt that I didn't need and added it to the shirt, sewed it into place, added that zipper back in, bada bing, bada boom, we have a fix. I hope it looks great, but honestly guys, I really don't know. I'm just guessing that it does, but I'm filming this prior to showing you guys the final thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the super fun stuff I have coming up here. I have a ton of giveaways this month because it is my birthday month, so I wanted to give back to you guys during the month of my birthday. I don't know when these giveaways are going to be. I know what some of them are. I don't even know what all of them are, and I'm just going to randomly give them away on videos throughout this month, so make sure you watch the video all the way through. too, because you don't want to miss any of the super fun stuff I have to give away. And also, it is for subscribers only, and it will be limited to those in the United States. I'll have a full set of rules in every video that I give something away on, but I just wanted to make that very clear. I'm hoping to do a couple of giveaways where I don't mind shipping internationally, but right now, most of the stuff that I have is probably most likely going to be limited to the United States only. Okay, now that I got all of that out of the way, let's see how this thing turned out. I hope it's awesome. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you another quick... It's so quick, it's over. That's how quick it was. Wow. Brain fart. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it's blinking like Christmas lights. I can't. Oh, I can't. Whew. Well, the skirt was way too tight and it was too long. So I did too tight at the bottom. Okay. Do it again. And then the shirt, I loved it so much. I went ahead and bought it, even though it was way more expensive than any shirt that I would ever pay for, even if it was 100% right. That, awesome. So in today's video, I have another quick fix DIY for you where I'm going to take a skirt that I got from Shein and a shirt that I got from a ThredUp goodie haul. So, ThredUp goodie haul? What? That's not what it's called. So in today's video, I have another quick fix DIY for you where I'm going to take a skirt that I got from Shein. I almost said a shirt. It's a skirt. Try her again.